Hello, my kindergartners. Are you ready for our last number of the week? What number is it going to be? We've been talking about our numbers 11 all the way through 20. And yesterday, what number did we talk about? 19. So what number do you think is going to be today? 20. A very, very special number, and a lot of things happen that are different with our number 20. So let me share my screen with you, and here is our whiteboard. So first of all, let's get our skywriting fingers ready, and we are going to write a 2 and a 0. Why is that? We've been writing all these numbers that start with 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. But now we've got a 2 up here. Well, the reason is because of something very similar, and actually the same reason why we put a 1 in front of these numbers. Why did we put a 1 in front of these numbers? Because there was one group of 10. Well, guess what? With the number 20, we now will have 2 groups of 10. Let me show you with our 10 frames. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. One group of 10. All right? Still with me? Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Because now we have 2 groups of 10 all together. Whoa. Something special just happened, didn't it? Yeah. All right, now let's try that with our tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close the gate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, close the gate. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, close the gate. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, close the gate. Whoa. All right, what else can we do? The number word. This is the first number word in several lessons that will not end in the word team. T, t, wah, wah. Eh, eh, eh. T. And a Y at the end that sounds like E. 20. Okay, so lots and lots of different ways to show 20. Okay, all right. So 20 is a little bit different than the other numbers that we have worked with because of the 2 groups of 10. So that first digit ends up being a 2 for those 2 groups of 10. I told you something special was going to happen. I told you. I told you. So let's get our practice paper ready. Mine are all sticking together for some reason over here. And we're going to practice the number 20. Okay? So I'm going to get my 3 colors out. Let's see. Let's do green. Ooh. Purple. Ooh, and I really like this dark color. All right. first thing we need to do is our name. Okay, now we are going to rainbow write our 20. So we're just curving around, go down and across, just like a 2. And then swoop around and make an O. Pretty simple. Okay, and then here's our 2. And our 0 for 20. And then color number 3. Round, down, and across. All the way around, and we're done. Okay, and guess what? If we know that 20 is 2 groups of 10, what are we going to do with our squares? We're going to color them all, aren't we? Because if all of this ends up being 10, right? And 10 here, then we have 2 groups of 10. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yep. All right, so I'm going to color. OJ. OJ. Uh-oh. OJ's getting into some dinner leftovers. Hey, Lynn. OJ's getting in trouble. OJ. Uh-huh. You'll see. All right. So then our 2 10 frames are all full. Would you pick up the dishes from dinner and put them away, please? All right. So now we're going to trace our 2 and 0. 2, 0. Is it all in there? Thank you. 2, 0, 2, and a 0, 2, and a 0. All right, now we're going to color our leaves, only the leaves that show 20. Oh, that's a 12. Here's our 20. I did not summon the special assistant. If I'm not invaded by a fur baby, I'm invented by this one.
You mean invaded? You said invented.
Invaded. It's late, so late that this one is supposed to be asleep. That number is 18. There's our 20. Oh, there's a 2. They threw in a 2. There's 16, 20.
2 20s
and 20. Do you want to give me one more kiss goodnight?
Bye-bye.
Remember, you made me a promise. Are you breaking that promise? Good night, sweetie. I love you. I love you. Let's see. In honor of our number 20, I'm going to give her 20 seconds to get into bed. Let's all count down. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, She's in bed. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to cut our letters out. All right. Okay. And don't forget that it actually spells it in our directions. But we have been working with our sounds for long enough now. We can spell it by listening. T, t, t. What letter is t, t, t? Not E. You have to wait your turn. T, 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 w, w, w. W. Not a, not I, The smiled one is E. When, N. Another T. 20. But sometimes when Y is at the end, it says E. 20. It's another one of those playful letters. All right, if you need to catch up, go ahead and pause and hit play. Turn the page when you are ready. All right. You know how to do this page. It's super easy. You don't need me. You're going to cut, trim, and separate your pictures. So they threw in a couple words. If it does represent 20, it's going to go on the smiley face. If it does not represent 20, it's going to go on the sad face. All right? You got this. All right, our next page. Ooh, I remember. Ooh, oh, here we go. All right, I remember having students in the past had a really hard time reading these numbers. So what I actually encouraged them to do was to color this in a little bit. And then it's a little easier to see. Like that. Okay. And this page is actually super duper easy. I don't think you're going to need me because you're going to look at the number that the child is holding and you're going to color that many in the 10 frame. Guess what? You've done that every day for the last 2 weeks already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one's done. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then all you have to do is color it in. That's it. Do. There we go. And then you'll do the same thing for each number in the other rows. And you actually did this very similar page for numbers 11 through 15. So smaller numbers, but still the same pattern, okay? All right, so go ahead and finish that. When you're ready, pause and do it now, and play when you're ready to turn the page. All right, now this is another page that we've also done several times with other numbers, okay? And we've practiced and seen these number words now that you should know what the number is, or at least be able to sound it out, okay? So what I would still encourage you to do is try to read the number word, and we're gonna write the number above to help you. So 16. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 16 right there. 17. 17. Boom. 8. 18. 18. Okay. 9. 19. Okay. And here's 20 that we just built. Okay. And then you probably know how to do this too. You're going to count the objects in each row and then write the number word. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There it is, because I wrote my number to help. So T, W, E, N, T, Y. And then I'm going to cross off. All right. So you'll do the same thing, matching the other number words in the other rows. All right. Awesome. And then that was the last page. Whoa. We are very, very close to being done with this unit, with the number sense and number fluency. And you guys have grown so much. I am so incredibly proud of you. And I will either see you in our next meeting or see you after Thanksgiving break. All right. And have a wonderful, wonderful, happy Thanksgiving.